More boys are being sexually abused than we know, and they're suffering in silence. That's according to the Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, CISOCA. We have the details in this report.
The Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, CISOCA, is sounding the alarm. Sexual abuse against males, especially boys, remains underreported.
We're in the schools, they know where to report. As you said, it's a cultural thing. So people shy away from it because boys, they don't want other boys to know that they were molested, they were buggered. Automatically, they feel that they'll be branded as being homosexuals because of the thing. It will carry them through, so they might have to change schools because of stigma being attached to them or everybody know talking about them. And a lot of the boys can't withstand that kind of pressure.
In many cases, boys from struggling socioeconomic backgrounds continue to be forced into vulnerable and dangerous situations.
One parent may be able to give their child the name brand things, the school bag, the shoes, enough money to go to school. Another child might be struggling where that is concerned. So that child may want to do something to engage in work afterwards to make some money on the side for themselves, and when they do that, if it is not done in a controlled way, if it is not done in a supervised way, they find themselves in all kind of situations, including sexual exploitation.
CISOCA is urging communities to step up, pay attention, and support these children who are being affected.
We have teachers who are perpetrators, we have doctors who are perpetrators, we have pastors who are perpetrators, we have fathers who are perpetrators, stepfathers, uncles. It's a mix. To tell parents or to tell adults what to look for, it depends on how you are approached and what is being asked of you and how you are being channeled in a particular way.
Superintendent Bailey was speaking on the Force for Good podcast, tackling sexual crimes by the Jamaica Constabulary Force.